there are many layers in us. There is the physical body, there is the emotional body, there is the energetic body, there is the soul. So many things. There are our traumas. All of this part in us, they are expressed in our voice, in our sound. So if my mental body say, I think I'm not good enough or nobody listened to me and I speak, this frequency comes and influences our whole instrument. So if you feel a sadness that is arising, don't try to suppress it, because this river of sadness is flowing in different parts of your body. So it's connecting maybe to parts that usually you don't use, and it has a sound of It can reach some bones, it can reach some holes, and this gives you the richness of everything that you are. And we are actually everything. I facilitate. In the deep meaning of it, I initiate. There is something in me that goes through me, you know, that awakens something in a fast way and shows people with a clarity of when they sing, what can I get rid of and what can I take? What can I give space to that is already in me? This transformation, this awareness, this love, this seeing of the beauty of your voice and of your body, and see your divinity. This is probably my main desire and impulse, is to empower. To really empower whatever you want to free, whatever you want to do, go for it. You have it, you can.